Dear students, I welcome you to my today's class. In a previous session, we discussed about the different types of our matrices. Today, we discuss about the different operations on matrices. We all know operations in mathematics means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Likewise, in a matrices also operations means addition of the matrices, subtraction of the matrices, multiplication of the matrices, and finding the inverse. Instead of division, we say that finding the inverse for the matrices here. Before going to operations on matrices, we will discuss two more topics. First one is the comparable matrices. What do you mean by comparable matrices? To compare matrices, we have to consider two matrices. So, matrix A and matrix B are said to be comparable if they are of same order. You know what do you mean by order? Order means the number of rows and number of columns in a matrix defines the order. So, two matrices A and B are said to be comparable if they are of same order here. Next, equal matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal. We written this as A is equal to B. X is equal to Y. Likewise, A is equal to B. If they are of same order and their corresponding elements are equal. If they are of same order and their corresponding elements are equal, that means to compare or to equate the two matrices, those two matrices are have same order should be same, and also we compare the corresponding elements of each matrix. Comparing the corresponding elements of each matrix. That means if A is a matrix, I'll consider a 2 by 3 matrix. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. So this is one 2 by 3 matrix. To compare with another matrix, I had to consider one more 2 by 3 matrix. Elements I'll take B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. Then A is equal to B. The matrix A is equal to matrix B if and only if A11 should be equal to B11, A12 should be equal to B12, A13 should be equal to B13. Similarly, A21 equal to B21, A22 is equal to B22 and A23 is equal to B23. So then only we say that matrix A is equal to matrix B. Let's consider one example here. Find X and Y when 5, 3, X, 7, this matrix is equal to another matrix. Conditions given, two matrices are equal. We have to find out the X and Y here. We know the condition. If two matrices are equal, first we have to check the order of the matrix. So here both the matrices are 2 by 2 matrices. and compare the corresponding element of each matrix. So 5, here also 5, okay. Here the second element A12 element is 3, here y, therefore y should be equal to 3. Here x is equal to 2, in place of 7, 7 is there. Therefore if we compare these two matrices, given two matrices are equal, therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to, okay. Let's take one more example. If x, y, z, a, b, c is equal to minus 1.5, 0, 2, root 6, 3, 2, then find the all values of all these. Again here given indirectly, that is two matrices are equal, therefore the corresponding entry should be equal. That means x should be is equal to minus 1.5, then this element y is equal to 0, z is equal to 2, then a is equal to root 6, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2. So this is equality of the two matrices here. In operations on matrices, first we discuss about the addition of matrices. Let A and B be two comparable matrices, each of which has same order m by n. Then their sum is defined as A plus B is a matrix of order m by m, order should be same, obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. In an equality of a matrix, we equate the corresponding elements of A and B. In an addition of matrix, we add the corresponding elements of A and B. Thus, if A is equal to Aij is of order m by n and B is equal to Bij is of order m by n, then A plus B is Aij plus Bij is of order m by n. That is addition of the matrices A and B. The resultant should be is of same order m by n. In general, we can also say that if A is a 2 by 3 matrix, elements of the matrix A are like this, and B is one more 2 by 3 matrix, then we define A plus B, addition of two matrices A and B, as adding the corresponding entries A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13, then A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23. So the resultant matrix is also of order 2 by 3 here. Let's take one example. Let A is a matrix, this is the matrix, and B is one more matrix. We have to find A plus B. Before going addition, first check the order of the matrix. Order of A is 2 by 3 and order of B is 2 by 3. Number of rows is 2, number of column is 3. Therefore, A and B are comparable matrices. Therefore, addition of the matrix, two matrices is defined. Now, A plus B is equal to matrix A. First write the matrix A, root 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0. Plus matrix B, 2, root 5, 1, minus 2, 3, 1. Corresponding elements, adding the corresponding elements. Therefore, add the elements. Root 3, one irrational number, one rational number. We cannot add directly, so write as it is, root 3 plus 2. Then next element 1 plus root 5. One rational, one irrational number, 1 plus root 5. Then minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. 2 plus minus 2. 2 plus minus 2. 3 plus 3. Then 0 plus 1. So adding the corresponding entries. Therefore, final answer is root 3 plus 2, 1 plus root 5, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the addition of two matrices and is of order 2 by 3. There is one note here. If A and B are not of same order, then A plus B is not defined. That means to add the two matrices, addition of two matrices is possible only when order should be same. Remember that. Next example. Let A, again I'll consider a 2 by 3 matrix, and B is one more 2 by 3 matrix. Find A plus B. I'll directly find the value here. 5 plus 4, corresponding, adding the corresponding elements, 5 plus 4, 0 plus minus 3, 0 plus minus 3, minus 2 plus minus 6, minus 2 plus minus 6, 3 plus minus 1, 2 plus 0, minus 7 plus 4. Five plus 4, 9, minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 6, minus 8, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, minus 7 plus 4, 3. Again, this is of order 2 by 3. Is it okay? This is about the addition of matrix. One thing is to be remembered is to do a addition of the matrices, the order should be same, otherwise we cannot find the addition. One more, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, or we can also call this as the scalar multiplication of a matrix. I'll consider one matrix A and a number K, non-zero number. Usually we consider the non-zero number because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Therefore, K is a non-zero number. Then the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of A by this non-zero constant is called the scalar multiplication of a matrix and is denoted by K into A. That means scalar multiplication of a matrix is defined as a matrix multiplied by a scalar K or a constant K. That means each entry of the matrix is multiplied by that constant. Not only one element, You have to multiply each element of a matrix. Elaborately we can discuss here. If A is equal to 2 by 3 matrix, already written here, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Then if K is a non-zero matrix, then K is a non-zero constant, then K into A is defined as multiply each entry of a matrix by this constant K. K into A11, K into A12, K into A13, K into A21, K into A22, K into A23 is also a 2 by 3 matrix. In this case also order is not differ here. Okay, order is same. For example here, A, again a 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows 3 columns. First question is find 3 into A. That is multiply a matrix A by constant 3. One more example is multiply a matrix A by this constant 1 by 2. So first one, 3 into A. That is 3 into the matrix A, 5, 4, minus 2, 6, minus 1, 7. 3 into 5 multiply each entry by the constant 3. 3 into 4, 3 into minus 2, 3 into 6, 3 into minus 1, 3 into 7. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 into 7 is 21. So this is again of order 2 by 3. There is one more here. 1 by 2 into A. 1 by 2 into same matrix A, 5, 4, minus 2, 6, minus 1, 7. 1 by 2 into 5, so that is 5 by 2. 4 by 2, minus 2 by 2, 6 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 7 by 2. That means 5 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, minus 2 by 2 is 1, 6 by 2 is 3, minus 1 by 2 and 7 by 2. So this is the scalar multiplication of a matrix here. So there is some properties here in a scalar multiplication. If A and B are two matrices of same order and K is a scalar, then K into A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B. That means if you add two matrices, then multiply by a constant K, that is equal to multiply a constant K to a matrix A and multiply a constant K to a matrix B, then add those two matrices. The values should be equal. One more property, if A is any matrix and K1 and K2 are any scalars, then K1 plus K2 into A is equal to K1 into A plus K2 into A. One more, K1 into K2A is equal to k1 k2 into a. So these are the properties of a scalar multiplication of a matrix. Thank you.